Well guys, we're here at the new, I think they're calling it Dawn of Destruction here at the Esso Egoplex here in April. And the weather's quite crap. It's raining out, it's cold. Let's take a look at the parking lot. So the parking lot is a river going through the parking lot. Guys think the parking lot's bad, wait till you see the actual ring. So we got my car here. The classes they're running are figure eight. They have a 3-man team stock minis, and then they have stock trucks, which is like a pro stock these days. They have junk run. I don't really think I've seen 1 or 2 junk runs and 1 or 2 trucks, and then figure eight. So the wind is quite nasty here. Let's take a walk around and see what we can see. So over here, we have a couple figure eight cars. Most of the stuff here is going to be figure eight today. We've got a Ecotech Cobalt. A couple of you guys have seen this Dodge Nitro run. It's been doing really good. I don't think this thing has died yet. He says it just gets hot and then turns off and comes back. I did forget that we have Youth Mini here today. So a lot of these pro-er looking Camrys and cars that are not figure eight are actually going to be going into Youth. So there's quite a bit of different cars here today from all over the place. And then we got Dan Hills over here. Dan Hills has brought a Cadillac. Good to see Dan running again. Ooh, that looks like a nasty bumper on the front of this thing. He's got you in there and doing all the grunt work, Mikey. We have a couple of old oval track cars coming here to do some figure eight today, so that should be interesting to see how these things do. Another Camry for Youth over there. So a cool aspect that's happening today is there's a 3-man team show, which means 3 people versus 3 people. I'm not exactly sure how they're going to do it. They might do 3 versus 3. They might do like 12 in the ring at the time and take the top 6. I don't really know, but it's all stock, and you got to fix your crap. And honestly, guys, I knew the weather was going to be bad, and I knew I didn't want to fix crap here today, so I didn't build for that. But a lot of other people did. They did build the 3-man team shows here for this event. So you have a Dodge Avenger, a Honda Accord. There's a lot of Hondas here. We got ourselves a Dodge Dakota here, guys. You guys see me running one of these, but this one here is front-wheel drive. This one here is a little bit newer than the one we ran. Have to see how that one does. We got Jason Gilbert over here with his figure eight car. We got a stock full-size truck over here. Not sure how many of these full-size trucks are here today. Hopefully he does get some traction out there. Another stock full-size. This thing is the definition of stock. We got a minivan coming up over here for junk run. Might be a great choice on the rear tires there. We got some stock. Actually, I think these are figure eight. I believe this one here is Youth Mini. This one here is a team. Team's a 3, but I think only 2 showed up. Ugh, some Buicks. Camry and a Buick. Figure eight. Now these are some tires that we need today. Look at those tires. These are going to get a crazy amount of traction with this thing. Because of the rain, a lot of guys actually have their cars completely tarped up. Holy crap! This is a figure eight car that's done just like mine in the back, with the trunk just the way I do it. We got Randy. Randy does a lot of figure eights. He'll be a tough competitor out there today in his Hondas. He drives these things very good. We got ourselves Toyota Corolla in their figure eight. Nice. We're just going to skip through the tech line there. I don't need to be encroaching on anybody that's trying to pass tech. I did forget that they have full size here. It does look like the guys that showed up for full size are all buddies, but hopefully they get some traction out there. 2 of them have V-treads. We'll go check those things out here shortly. Yeah, it is way too cold to be working on my cars. I only have 1 glove, and I've already went through my change of clothes today, so kind of unhappy with that. But let's go check out some of the rest of these cars for you guys. So we got ourselves a town car, some SS rims, threaded rod, Chevy motor by the looks of it. A Chevy. Guys don't really see too many of these anymore. An old Impala or Caprice. I think he's still running the LT1 in there. And then we got ourselves a square body wagon. A Ford. Look at the frame on this thing. That frame looks spotless. I really don't think that's a Canadian car. You know what, the trunk is a little soft, but oh my God, look at this. Look how black that frame is on this thing. That is honestly crazy. You can see right where their notches are, how black the frame is. I don't think that's the factory frame for that car. We got ourselves a team over here, Honda Civic, Honda Accord. Let me guess, the last one's gonna be a Honda? No, it's a Cavalier. Coming over here, here's another team. We got a Camry, a newer Civic, and an Impala. All these things are stock builds. All these things are stock builds. So there's not really a whole lot to see on them. There's nothing going to be groundbreaking. You have to be factory bumpers, factory suspension, then go from there. This, I believe, is figure 8. I might be wrong on that. It is built to stock rules, so it might be on a team. Oh, yep, maybe, because there's another purple car over there. Yep, so it is part of a team. And here is the last car for that team. So with these stock rules, you can't change spindles, you can't change nothing. Like, if you take a look, this guy's subframe is broken. And he can't plate that or nothing, can't swap it out. So when these rules say stock, they mean stock, and that's kind of good like that because everybody's on an even playing ground. And the best thing is it's not 47 Toyota Camrys. You get some Echoes, some Mitsubishi Mirages. That's a tiny car. Some Elantras. Figure 8 guy, or youth I believe. Pontiac Vibe. A youth Camry over here. Youth Camry. Figure 8. Hyundai Accent. And then we have ourselves a Dodge Avenger all hidden away inside that trailer staying warm. And some more cars over here. Cavaliers, Hondas, and Cavaliers. These are all figure 8 guys. I wish I could film just a little bit better for you guys, but honestly, my hands need to be going and warmed up. So we're going to take a little bit of a break from the filming and get our camera set up to film some of the action. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little bit of the prelude here. I did kind of speed through it and I apologize. But thanks you very much for watching, and make sure you guys come back tomorrow to actually watch the figure 8 racing and all the derby action. The rain is starting to stop, so that's kind of a good sign. Maybe, oh, the wind is still crazy though. Take care guys. See you back here tomorrow.